Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate something very simple yet very powerful. How Domo can hit external endpoints and retrieve JSON data and make it available for reporting immediately. Now there are multiple ways of doing this, but I'm going to demonstrate the simplest of all. We can cover more complex in upcoming videos too. So you can click on connect data, connectors. Then you can go to JSON no code connector. The endpoint I'm going to use over here does not require an authentication, so I'll click none. Let me give it a name. No auth needed. You can name it any way you want. Connect. Now that our connector is ready, I hit next and I keep all the settings as it is. The endpoint we are trying to hit and get the data is this. I'll put it in the description. You can hit this particular endpoint and you are going to get this data, some random sample data. Now I'm copying this, I'm putting it here. You can work with any other parameters, uh, the JSON body, query parameters, etc. basis your need. I'm just demonstrating the simplest path or simplest way. Hit next. You have an option of giving your paging logic as well. We don't have anything right now, so I'll give it a pass. I'll click next. Here you can parse your JSON response. So when you click on this icon, you see that Domo has automatically parsed the JSON properly. So if you click on any of the columns, you will see more options. Now, at this moment, we don't have to apply any step. This is just to show you that you have more options available over here. We can click next. You can select these basis your requirement. Right now, I'll just leave this to default setting. I hit next. You can schedule this as well. For now, I'll just keep it manual. I click next. Now you can give this a name. Let's say sample JSON data API and save and run. Now let us see how